Nah, I ain't having it from the bed.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Can't tilt it forward. Yeah, you can. You need a pair of pliers.
Oh, wow. Wow, that's really, is this built into the vehicle, or did you have to take the seats out and push the back box in?
Yeah, it's a box that was built outside of the truck, and it was built up on a platform, and the wings were done.
Got it. Nice. Go ahead.
Standard board at about 6 cubes at 32 hertz.
What was the cubes you said?
It's about 6 cubes.
6 cubes, okay. Is that on the small end?
Yeah, it's on the small end for the X's like that. But he played regular music. He wasn't really going for a whole bunch of rebase stuff. We wanted to still have the best musical abilities we can get.
Yes, sir.
So we're running 80 amp hour headway and a McMahon 240.
Okay. What's the tuning on it with the SPL and bandwidth and all?
It's 32 hertz port tune. We're really not sure what it peaks at. We haven't put it on the meter yet.
Nice.
But it plays on down into the high 20s pretty good.
Okay. These are some really heavy duty wooden door pods to hold all of the.
Got right here built over.
Okay. Yeah.
It's all wood, no glass or nothing. They're gonna, I believe, do a stained front and do fur like this on the outside.
They'll probably have like a vinyl leather face.
Yeah.
With black and red fur on the outside.
Okay. Nice. What's on the doors for the power?
Believe it or not, it is a single Teramps 440 by 4 on everything.
Really?
Right
Okay.
there, yep.
Tweeters are mid-range. Okay.
Yep, everything.
Wow.
The 10s are on 2 channels and the tweets are on 2 channels.
Okay.
No DSP or nothing. All the crossovers are coming from the head unit.
Yes, sir. Is there a way if you can shut that real quick? It's just for the sun picture. That's a lot better. Thank you. Nice. And it really sealed it off.
Yeah, he did a really good job making it.
Yeah.
Stuff. It don't look pretty yet, but they're gonna.
You can add it. You can add a beauty panel on it. Yeah.
Yeah, they're gonna make a thinner beauty panel on the front. And, like I said, I think they're gonna wrap it.
Pretty solid. Nice. Got all the space you could out of this extended cab.
Yeah, it still have leg room.
Yeah. Are they having any issues with the flex on the windshield yet?
No, I don't think so. Is the windshield flexing much, Chuck? We ain't been able to ride it much. He dailies the truck, so.
Okay.
He just listens to regular music most of the time.
Got it. That's all good. Nice.
Yeah, I killed that pussy, your honor. Dirty bitch, now I shake it like thunder. Now I grew up down an old dirt road in a town you wouldn't know. My pops picked the place up for $1,500 back in 1964. My grandfather was a drinker back in the day. I keep it. I don't wanna just one night it. That booty's so fat, it make you wanna bite it. I roll the weed up and let her light it. She a bad bitch and pull it, porn. Bad bitch, she keeps some credit cards. Bad bitches on play. Porn. Starting private. Juicy. Juice. Booty Judy. Juicy. 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 She walk, all you see is ass, bounce it, that she got me spoiled. Juicy. Juice. Bounce it. Big booty Judy. What you want? All you see is all that ass. Bounce it, deep cup, boobies. Never been a trip, bitch. Got it by your boobies. Fuck you doing? Juice. Bounce it. Judy. What you want? All you see is all that ass. Bounce it, deep club. Never been a trip, now this bitch got it by your boobies. Fuck you doing?
Man, smell a little bit. Man, I appreciate it, dude. Wow. That's awesome, man. Really good bandwidth, too, for a flat wall. Did good, man. Thank you very much.